Welcome back. Well, as part of Yahoo Finance's coverage of America Saves Week, we take a look at retirement savings and closing the wealth gap. To do that, let's bring in our next guest, Schumm, founder and CEO of Vestwell. And Aaron, a quarter of U.S. adults have no retirement savings whatsoever. Just 1 in 3 say their retirement planning is on track. So just how dire a situation is that?
Yeah, we've reached a point where it is a major issue. I mean, we've all known for a long time that this was coming, but the vast majority of Americans don't have they're not properly banked for the future. So our platform and our business is focused on really helping those small businesses and individuals save for the important aspects of life, be it retirement, education, and health.
And what is the savings gap in the U.S.?
So the savings gap in the U.S., if you look at it, 2% of employees in America are stressed about their finances. So if you look at the average individual, only 40% have $1,000 saved for an emergency. So when you think about what happens in life, right, if you get injured or a healthcare issue or something, it's that $1,000 goes very quickly, or if you get laid off. So we're really trying to focus on helping Americans save upfront and plan for the future in the most seamless way possible.
And then, Aaron, so what is the easiest way, would you say, to build a sort of retirement fund, particularly if you have a full-time job?
Yeah, the easiest way to do it is through the workplace, right? And but the challenge is less than half of American workers actually have access to a retirement focused vehicle in their workplace environment. So it's really important for those business owners to sit back and say, hey, we need to help our employees, our workforce plan for the future and equip them with the ability to save in the workplace and then plan beyond.
And Aaron, so tell me what's being done at the state level to try and address the issue.
Yeah, the states have really taken an active role in this, which has been great to see. So if you look at Oregon was the first to go to market with the Oregon Saves program, where they stepped back and said, listen, we have to encourage people to start saving and put it in the hands of business owners and require them to start providing some solution to their employees. And the states that have done that, Illinois and Oregon and California are the three that are active right now, with several others in flight, be it Maryland and Connecticut and so on. And there's data showing that when the government has said, hey, you need to offer a workplace savings program, that there is a significant uptick in programs being made available to the employees across those respective states. So it's taking the long pole and really trying to plan for the future there.
And then, Aaron, how many private firms actually offer retirement saving programs, within their companies? And then what role do you think small businesses, such as startups and restaurants, also have to play?
Yeah, the startups and the restaurants and just small businesses in general, right, are continuing to expand and grow. And COVID has just accelerated that, right? If you look at the Great Resignation, as people are calling it, those small businesses are starting to pop up more and more. But still, less than half of those businesses are offering a workplace savings program. And in the small business segment, particularly, you have 32 plus small businesses across this country, and less than 1 million workplace savings programs. So that means 1 in 32 businesses are only offering something. So there's a big disparity of folks that should be saving versus folks that are saving. So encouraging those small businesses to put something in place that's really cost effective and easy for them to engage, not burdensome from an overhead perspective, but really allowing those individual employees to start saving for the future is incredibly important.
Yeah, it is the easiest way to save, as you say. Okay, we will leave it there. Aaron Schumm, founder and CEO of Vestwell. Thanks so much for your time.